Railroad service is back up and running on these tracks. But down the way, crews work to clean up mounds of coal and overturned railroad cars.
So the train derailed about 5 miles down the tracks in this direction. It's in the middle of the Great Dismal Swamp.
Officials say the main focus of today is making sure that crews have access to those areas down the tracks where there's still a lot of debris and coal spread around. Norfolk Southern initially told us the derailment happened on Tuesday near the Portlock area. It wasn't until the next day they revealed the correct location. In a new statement, they confirmed it actually happened within the boundaries of the Great Dismal Swamp National Wildlife Refuge. News 3 reached out to Norfolk Southern for clarification on exactly where the debris is and what could have caused the wreck. They haven't gotten back to us. The next big question is environmental impact. John Geese with the Department of Environmental Quality says his folks will look at anything concerning the wetlands. From there, they can decide what mitigation strategies are required. No word right now on how long that will take.
Depends on how long it takes to establish appropriate access, and then how long it takes to load out the coal and the destroyed rail cars.
In Suffolk, Erin Miller, News 3.